You'll be there.
I will be there.
Yeah.
And it sounds like it's going to be glorious outside.
Yeah, a little on the cool side. I mean, especially with that breeze coming off of the water a little bit.
I'll bring a jacket like you mentioned.
Yeah, just bring that, but otherwise it's really going to be lovely, even with the clouds in place. So around 9, 10 o'clock, you see temperatures already in the low and mid 60s for Seattle with the clouds that moved in today. And we have a pretty strong onshore push, at least closer to the coast. And with that system just to the east of us, temperatures have been in the lower 70s, even some upper 60s out there. So temperatures will continue to drop as the night goes on, but it's not going to be a significant cool down by any means. Really going to be quite pleasant out there despite the clouds. And you see that system I was talking about. It's this very weak trough that's going to continue just to send all of this moisture over Washington, but the moisture to produce any rain is east of the Cascades. And you can see some light showers generally south of Yakima, but not going to see anything like that here. Now up in the higher mountain peaks in the Cascades, that's where there could be a couple of sprinkles through tonight, but not expecting that here. Here's around between 10 and around midnight, you see some more clouds still lingering. And then we could have some low clouds developing overnight, but those are going to gradually clear as the morning goes on. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're expecting partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures, though, will likely be in the low and mid 70s. By Sunday, mostly sunny 70s and 80s. Then we're talking widespread, at least for Puget Sound, 80s in the low and mid 80s Monday and Tuesday. Likely a cool down by Wednesday as another weak system just moves through. It's pretty gusty out there. We have southerly winds in Bellingham right now. You see the flag whipping in the wind, the push of water over Bellingham Bay. 68 degrees. We have filtered sunshine, which you can also see at the coast right now. Some people enjoying the sunshine. The waves aren't too big as well. Here's a look from our Queen Anne camera. We have blue sky, but we have high clouds, mid-level clouds, but still some sunshine peeking through. 72 degrees at SeaTac right now. As I mentioned, didn't warm up into the mid 70s. And overnight, we'll dip down to the 40s and 50s, so going to be rather comfortable. You can open up your windows, hopefully with the wind still going, variable though, between maybe 1 to 10 miles per hour. Should relax a little bit, but that should help mix out some of that smoke from all of the fireworks. Now tomorrow morning, waking up mostly cloudy, but then we'll see that gradual clearing into the afternoon in the mid 70s, closer to the coast in the mid 60s, mid and upper 60s to our north. Meanwhile, eastern Washington in the 80s, pushing 90. Then we turn the page to Sunday. We'll have mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Even up in the mountains, you see if you're going hiking, you're going camping, really going to be lovely for that and really comfortable. Then we get to Monday. That's when, again, we're expecting those widespread 80s, mid 80s, maybe some upper 80s out there. Meanwhile, eastern Washington, once again, going to bake in the 90s, triple digits. Showing you on Tuesday, likely when some of the temperatures will peak over the area before that system rolls in, mid and upper 80s. Potentially some lower 90s out there. Meanwhile, eastern Washington, 90s and triple digits. Now, some uncertainties with the system that rolls in by the middle half of the week. It's going to bring us some cooler temperatures, some clouds, maybe a stray shower up in the mountains, but we're not expecting any big changes with this except the temperatures. But for now, we just don't know how cool we're going to get. So mid 70s, we'll call it that. Mid and upper 70s, maybe a little cooler than that, but no extremes. If anything, it would be just where we should be this time of year in the low and mid 70s.